kidney issue. So you are basically here because your serum creatinine has gone up for whatever reason. There are various reasons why the serum creatinine goes up. One of the major reasons being the medicines that you take for some issue or the other. Any allopathic medicines taken for over a period of time tends to cause the side effects and increase the creatinine levels. There are other issues also which increases the creatinine levels, like a kidney disease. It could be congenital, it could be acquired, it could be a kidney failure. A lot of reasons are there for the serum creatinine to go up, and the moment the serum creatinine goes up, you panic. So usually the serum creatinine can go up to about 2. Previously it used to be people get very scared the moment it goes about 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, they go into a panic mode. They go to the doctor puts them on medication. There was a time when it used to go around 3 or 4, the patients used to be put on dialysis. But of late the doctors have become more conventional, their approach has changed. So they are okay, even if it is 3, 4, they say, hang on, we'll give you some medication and we'll see and all that. So usually, most of the people do not have any symptoms. The only thing that can go wrong is they'll have a little frothy urine, or they could have proteins in the urine. They might have a little swelling of the body, their BP may be a little high. But this don't happen in most of the people. Most of the times, you investigate and then you find out your serum creatinine is on a little higher side. The moment you're diagnosed that you have a little issues with the creatinine and your kidney is in stress, you become a kidney patient. After that, it is an irregular visit to the doctor. Every month you go to the doctor. Every month he checks it up. Every month there is either a fluctuation. It goes up a little bit, it comes down a little bit. And then you live your life as a kidney patient. So when people come to me, I ask them, what is your problem? What is the serum creatinine doing to you? Nothing. My levels are high. I want it sorted out. Trust me, there are no medicines which can sort out these levels in allopathy except dialysis. It can keep it in control. There are a lot of medicines they give, steroids they give other medicines. It kinds of keeps it in control. You go to the doctor every month, get it checked up. Let me tell you a patient who was 36-year-old. His serum creatinine was about 4. He spent the last 3 years every month going to the nephrologist, every month getting his tested done. And it always used to fluctuate between 3 and 4, and the doctor used to put him on medication. 3 years of his life, he just lived his life. He was alive. He and his family would wait for the day they would get his investigation done and hope that the levels would come down. They would see the levels are same or a little high, a little light. They would be disappointed. So they lived that life like that for 3 long years. When he came to me, I told him, look, let's do one thing. What are you achieving by checking it every month? Let's get it checked once in 6 months, once in 7 months. Continue with the doctor. Continue with the medicines that you are taking from the allopathic doctor. I will also give you medication, but check it only after about 6 months or 8 months time. You start living your life. Don't eat this, don't eat that, don't do this, don't do this. 3 years he lived his life as a patient, not doing anything. I said, stop doing that, live your life. Trust me, it's been 3 years plus that he is under my care. He gets his checkup done only once in 6 months or 8 months time. The levels are better than before, they have not come back to normalcy. But at least he's living his life. What you need to realize is when there is a problem, when there is a major problem with the kidneys, and if the creatinine levels are going high, and if the kidneys are in any kind of a discomfort or stress, your body will get to know. There is no way that there is something major happening in your body to the kidneys and you won't get to know as signs and symptoms. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't mean that the moment you have your creatinine levels a little high, you stop living your life. That's not how it works. Allopathy has certain few medicines which can help with the creatinine, and when it goes beyond a particular level, they say you have to do dialysis, and once you do dialysis, most of the time you have to go on doing dialysis. So we've had patients whose serum creatinine levels have gone up to 11, 12, 19. We have patients who come to us because they cannot afford to do dialysis, and we've been maintaining them for 7 years, 10 years without any problem. They live their life. They're still living their life very fine. There are patients whose levels goes up because of some other secondary reasons and they have to go in for dialysis. They still continue medication. Now there are people who come to us who are already on dialysis every month or every week. Once we start on the medication, the number of dialysis that they require keeps coming down. So we don't tell them stop all your allopathic medications, take it together. Whatever helps. But at least if we can reduce the number of dialysis and we can save the patient from going into dialysis, it's worth it. It's very important that you don't get scared the moment you see that serum creatinine levels are high. It doesn't help in any way. How does it help? Tell me. You become a patient, you go to the doctor, you're living your life only to reduce the creatinine level, but you forget that you have the rest of your body to live for. You have a mind, you have a body, you have a family, you have a work, you have a social life. Everything comes to a standstill the moment you give in to that creatinine levels. Don't do that. It's okay. There are 70% of the Indians who are staying in the rural areas who live in poverty. You think they don't have kidney problems? You think their serum creatinine levels are not high? They are. There are a lot of them whose serum creatinine levels are very high. Most of them do not know about it because they don't check it up. Some of them check it up, they know it is high, but they cannot afford treatment. So they go back to the villages, they do their work. They come back once in 10 years to the doctor again. The doctor will say, your creatinine levels are very high. What are you doing about it? I can't afford to do anything. You told me this 10 years back also. Today also it is high, but I am alive and I am doing my work. That's how it works. Most of the things, if you leave it to nature and just be conscious about it. See, you are conscious about it because you are aware of it. You are educated. You know how to see in the Google what can happen to you. But what about the 70% of the people? They don't care, they don't bother, they continue to live their life, they live as long as you and I live. It's not important to stay alive, it's important to live your life. How you live your life is a choice that you should take. I, as a homeopathic doctor, can offer you medicines which can keep your creatinine levels in control. I can give you medicines which will not let you go into complications. I can let you forget your serum creatinine levels and let you live your life. I'm not saying I can cure. I'm not saying I can bring it back to zero. But I can at least make you comfortable. At least I can make you live your life. So if your serum creatinine levels are high, don't worry, don't panic. Start on homeopathic medications. Get in touch with us. We will definitely do this journey with you and we will help you. Take care. Stay safe.